Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about what is the impact of Trump's presidency on the AI development. That if, not if Trump is going to be the president of USA, and how the things are going to change for the AI development. We'll be talking about it. Okay, so like there are few things that going Trump is going to do. Is it is going to reduce the regulations. AI regulations were there, and this he is going to actually reduce that, and they are more focused on the rapid development. Okay, okay. So it is going to he is going to dismantle the executive order, setting setting the federal guidelines. So before this Trump, Biden has implemented a lot of AI guidelines from the central government, that okay, there are some guidelines for the data privacy, algorithm transparency, and fairness, and all these things. So maybe that can be reduced because Trump is more focused on the AI development and AI acceleration. As but there is one other side of the Elon Musk. We'll be talking about it. Um, and AI farms maybe accelerate R&D. Yeah. So what is the implication? So for the fewer checks, AI farms may accelerate. AI farms maybe accelerate R&D at the cost of one, but there will be a lot of cost. Like AI companies will be easier to uh, set up there, but like with the faster AI development, there is a issue of the biasness, unsafe AI models, and that will be actually concerning in the ethical and privacy risk. Okay, so that is a concerning thing, um, and maybe that will be harming us more, because regulations are meant to regulate all the things, so that we will be not get into any danger. Okay, yeah, he's going to be focused on more innovation, less oversight. Yeah, so like that is the point. It is going to reduce the safety protocols, but it will be more biased and dangerous AI. Uh, but yeah, let's talk about the Trump and Elon Musk. Okay, so Elon Musk has said that okay, AI is going to be the potentially danger, but Trump has another idea. He is more focused about the development of AI, because AI is ultimately the power, and power what everyone wants. Yeah, and if you have any thought about it, then you can just write the hashtag Elon Musk in the uh, comments. Okay, let's go. Yeah. So AI for defense. Yes. So as we have talked about the power, Trump is going to prioritize the AI in defense. Okay. So AI in defense is a deadly combination. Okay. Many some countries have able to use it in the war as well. But like that is going to be risk the whole humanity. Whole humanity is going to be disrupted by this thing. But yeah, you can't able to stop this thing. It's the thing, because USA is going to do it, and they'll be not. But like, is the a speculation? These all things are a speculation. What will happen? We'll be talking about it. But what is he going to do? What is the probability of doing things? Let's see. Okay, so he is just going to do some autonomous weaponry and real-time data processing, or like real-time AI enhanced weapons, so that that will be killing at a very tremendous rate, and that will be increasing their rate of chances of winning or something like that. Okay, and one more thing is that Trump is more focused on the localized AI supply chains. So, from their country point of view, he is going to be more develop on the semiconductor and all these things, so that they can develop the AI independently. without importing so much of the goods or raw materials or something like that. So that is already good. Although OpenAI is already doing a lot of advancement, and he is in the forefront of the advancement. And itself, AI is too much at the speed. Like we need to little bit slower this speed, but maybe after Trump will come, it will be more speed up. And AI safety people have to be more aware about this thing. We have to be more aggressive, or maybe we should be more focused so that how we can make the AI safety protocols much better. But yeah, there is one more thing is that if in their country, yeah, in USA, they are not able to or not want to apply these protocols, then it's tough. And ultimately, maybe wrong AI can do a lot of havoc in the whole world, and that will be, and maybe America can be um, a, a thing that can be, maybe they can develop a thing that can be able to destroy the whole humanity. Yeah, that is the cons of the making this type of AIs in a very powerful rate and giving the power of the defense. Yeah, this I don't care idea. This thing is, in my opinion, that is not very good. But let's see. These all are speculations. Uh, when he will be coming, he'll be making laws or whatever things. We'll be talking about that. What is your opinion about this topic? Write in the comments. I love to listen from you guys, and thank you so much. And if you like it, then please share it.